Hello, good day everyone, and thank you for joining this week's Make It Snappy session. You are here with Yashin from Modern OneSolve, and the Inventor tool I will be showing you how to work with today is the text command. So the text command can be accessed when you are working in an initial sketch. Once you have a sketch activated, you can head over to your ribbon and toggle on the text tool. So in terms of using this, all you have to do is simply select on your sketch plane once to activate the text dialog box. So this dialog box is very familiar. As you can see, it looks very similar to the Word text formatting options. So this will allow you to apply some bullet points, adjust the justification, so the position of your text, as well as do a couple additional things like change the style, the height, colors, maybe make it bold or italics. But to get your text, simply type in your values and maybe I will change the height of that over there and select OK. Once that's done, my text will be created and I can generally drag it around to position it, or alternatively, to precisely place this text, you can dimension it according to that lower left point. Okay, so each text value that you create inside of Inventor does have that point to allow you to better place the text that you've created. Okay, so another option in terms of creating text inside of Inventor is to have your text running along a path or piece of geometry. So in this case, what I'm going to do is create a 2-point arc, sort of align it over there, and instead of using the generic text command, there is a sub function which is called geometry text, which allows you to align your text that you'd like to create with a line or path. And all I have to do is simply select the path I want to place my text on or line it with. A dialog box will open, allowing you to make some formatting options, change the direction, make it clockwise, anti-clockwise, or change the position. Is it going to be above the line or below it? So you do have some editing options over there, but to get that text I can simply type it out and select OK.